Alright, so I'm here with another layer strip from the heart pattern, which is from Amy Tangerine's Slice of Life Bamboo Blues. And a blank, it's too much. And so, just in it. Yes.
That was like something else. What's a snap?
Is when a piece of the fabric is pulled out. Yeah.
This is my favorite beads. I like these.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright. You got. See you out there.
Yep. I'm gonna apologize now for the interruptions. When he gets, oh my gosh. So I'm just trying to get all my layers down. Okay, so I only have 3 voiceovers ready after this, and then I have 3 more, but I need to do the pictures for them. Those are my most recent ones. Alright, so now the banner is cut from Maggie Holmes Heritage pattern paper. The die cuts are Pink Paisley's Truly Grateful. And then I'm going to, oh, I have some puffy stickers. Oh yeah, okay, so my title is Sweet and Carefree. And Sweet, Carefree, and the flowers are Pink Fresh Studio Just a Little Lovely Puffy Free stickers. That's where they come from. Sorry. And then the ampersand used in the title is this Truly Grateful Pink Paisley. Oh my gosh, I gotta sneeze again. Excuse me. Shoosh. I'm sneezing and I open up the windows and it's 48 degrees. I'm gonna freeze out the germs in myself. Alright, so those butterflies are Vicky Booten. They came in one of the past kits. They're layered. Oh gosh, my neck hurts. I know, Patton. This is where I keep my current kits.
You know why I was wearing this? For Christmas.
Oh, okay.
It's not even close.
No, you need to remember that outfit and wear that and your green pants. Because Christmas colors are red and green.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Because the Christmas tree is green.
Yep. Yeah.
lights.
Yeah. Yeah.
Pink,
Yep.
green. It can't be green on a light, but there's green on a Christmas tree.
There's green lights. If you could buy the colored lights, there's green.
Oh, white, yellow. Alright.
All right. I have to do the stopwatch. Uh-huh. All right. All right. Whatever keeps him outside and keeps him wasting off his energy, because holy cow. That kid is like a stinking Energizer bunny, I swear. That kid wears me out. I hope Alex can get his training wheels fixed. All right, 28 seconds. 28. Did you go all the way to the stop sign? Oh. 28. Oh. Okay. Alright, so I'm just going to add some circles that I cut out of some patterns. All right. Because I have that pink circle die cut, and so I wanted to add circles in a few other places around the layout. And then, yeah, that pretty much, I think I told you everything that I have used. All right, 29. 29. Yeah, you did 1 second worse.
No, I did on the bike, 28.
Nuh-uh, you did 30.
Yeah, and then I went down 29, 28.
Oh, did you? I thought you did 38, 39 on the bike. Oh, okay, my bad.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
and I went down to 20.
Oh, okay.
He said 28.
Oh, okay. Uh-huh. And there's the ampersand, and then I did another circle. Okay. All right, and then that is going to pretty much complete my layout. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.